Good morning, everyone. This is your weekly check-in for Math 61. So one of the things I wanted to show you today is I wanted to show you how when we go through our module lessons, okay, we got links to things like individual lessons, but then we also have links to like reading materials. We got links to videos. We also have links to the assignment lessons, right? So these assignment lessons link us to something called Mylabmath. You're probably familiar with Mylabmath by now. And Mylabmath gives us these problems to practice, right? But one of the things I wanted to show you today is how can we access Mylabmath directly so that maybe it's a little bit more efficient navigating through Blackboard. One of the ways we can do this, I wanted to draw your attention to this direct link over here, because if you click this direct link, Mylabmath, it brings you to a bunch of other links. And these other links include things like, let's see, where is it? The multimedia library is what I wanted to show you. If you click Mylabmath, it also brings you this multimedia library. And that multimedia library has lots of different resources for you, okay? I'll come back to that in just a second. But also what Mylabmath will do, if you click directly on Mylabmath, right there on the left-hand ribbon, it will give you a link directly to that homework, okay? So you won't have to kind of search for it in each individual module. So there are the module lessons right there, kind of all nice and lined up for you, ready to go. So that might save you a little bit of time, which is pretty nice. And I think it's a little, it's nice to have nice and organized and right there for you. Let's go to, like, for instance, Module 1, Lesson 4. You go to Module 1, Lesson 4, and I'll randomly pick a problem 5. You can see on the top left that there's this coding here, and this says 1.9.23, right? And the reason why I wanted to show you that is that tells you that this problem is from Chapter 1, Section 9, Problem 23. And the reason why that's important is if you go to that multimedia library, you can go to Chapter 1, Lesson 9, select all. And that gives you the ability to look through that section that corresponds to what you're dealing with. So that gives you direct access to things like PowerPoints and videos and different lectures, not to mention animation and a direct link to that textbook. So just wanted to show you that trick. All right, also keep in mind that the due date is coming up. I think it's in about 3 weeks. Let's check the schedule here. Go to the course calendar, make sure we know what's going on. October 25th, that's the first due date. So that's in about 3 weeks, or no, it's not 3 weeks. What is that? Less than 3 weeks. So that is in 19 days. So like 2.5 weeks. So keep in mind that due date, keep a good pace in the course, and hopefully those tips on Mylabmath help you out a little bit. All right, have a good week.